Hi everyone. Today I am excited to embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal development as I dive into a brand new presentation. This presentation is not just a reflection of my strengths and experiences, but a testament to the continuous journey of shaping my identity both personally and professionally. So this is a picture of my LinkedIn profile, which I aspire to be in 5 to 6 years' time. My name is Anwar Azmi bin JIWARI, a finance manager at Sarawak Energy Berhad in Kuching. My journey began as a finance officer at Petronas from 2025 to 2027, where I gained invaluable experience in one of Malaysia's largest corporations. Building on this foundation, I then served as a senior finance officer at Pemodalan Nasional Berhad (PNB) from 2027 to 2029. This role exposed me to diverse financial landscapes, enriching my strategic thinking and financial management skills. I'm also a council member at the Financial Planning Association and a member at the CFA Institute, ensuring continuous learning, global networking, and upholding the highest standards of professional excellence. These professional affiliations not only enhance my reputation, but also contribute significantly to my knowledge in the dynamic field of finance. Academically, I hold a diploma in public administration, a bachelor of business in finance, and master of business administration from Swinburne. Chartered as a CFA since 2026 and an FRM since 2028, my skills include strategic thinking, financial management, compliance, and ethical judgment. And now, as a finance manager at Sarawak Energy, I bring expertise from Peninsular Malaysia, excited to contribute to Sarawak's growth. The strength spotting scale evaluates my strength in 5 areas: ability, emotional, frequency, motivation, and application. Notably, the emotional category stands out with the highest score, which is 28, showcasing heightened awareness of my emotional strengths like empathy and emotional intelligence. This plays a pivotal role in my interactions, contributing to positive team dynamics and effective leadership. While emotional strength shines, acknowledging the roles of ability, motivation, and frequency is also crucial. The frequency score of 17 signals an opportunity for improvement in consistently applying my strength, motivating me to explore strategies for intentional and regular utilization. So according to the VIS strength test, my top 5 strengths are forgiveness, kindness, curiosity, prudence, and honesty, which plays a pivotal role in shaping my learning approach. Forgiveness extending beyond pardon is a powerful tool for collaboration in group assignments. It creates an environment where learning thrives, allowing us to move forward after setbacks, understanding peers' challenges, and provide second chances. Kindness serves as the academic glue, fostering a supportive community, and curiosity sparks a passion for holistic learning, while prudence guides thoughtful decision making. And lastly, honesty is foundational to academic integrity. To ensure authenticity, emphasizing forgiveness, kindness, and curiosity, my approach focuses on collaborative resilience, creating a supportive community and fostering a passion for diverse and holistic learning experience. Through VIS strengths, forgiveness emerged as my guiding principles. Inspired by Nelson Mandela's wisdom, resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. I've embraced forgiveness for resilience and collaborations. Mandela's insights guides my commitment to fostering positivity for personal and professional growth. Strength spotting, recognizing unique qualities in others, converge diverse talents for optimal success. Like Mandela's quote, exposes the toxicity of resentment. My journey highlights the power of positivity, collaborations, and harnessing collective strength through forgiveness and strength spotting. Diving into the well-being team roles, I uncovered my role as a coordinator. This revelation wasn't just a label. It illuminated how I function within a team, within my group assignment, acting as a guiding force in orchestrating talents effectively. Being a coordinator means recognizing each team member's strengths and harnessing the collective potential for shared success. This discovery transformed my approach to assignments, offering newfound clarity in navigating collaborative dynamics. As a coordinator, using the well-being team roles assessment, I've learned it's like leading a symphony, not just steering discussions, but also ensuring everyone works together seamlessly. This role teaches me crucial leadership skills for the future. In the professional world, effective leadership and teamwork are key, just like a conductor that leads a musical group. I aspire to lead and coordinate in my future roles. In the words of Steve Jobs, great things in business are never done by one person, they're done by a team of people, which means coordination embodies the power of thoughtful teamwork, a power I aim to leverage for positive change in my future work. So now I'm going to present about my star reflection on a prominent group work during this semester, particularly on this subject, which is innovative business practice. So for the first star reflection, which is as situation, as we embarked on this project, our collective excitement was there. We envisioned making a meaningful impact on the issue of unemployment. However, the reality we faced was a bit different. Limited alignment within the team became apparent, posing a unique challenge to our collaborative effort. Our task was ambitious yet clear, which is to conceptualize a compelling short film and present a comprehensive pitch plan. The challenge, though, lay in aligning our diverse creative visions. The complexities of unemployment required a harmonious integration of ideas, which proved to be an intricate part of our journey. Recognizing the disparity in our initial conceptualizations, I took proactive steps to address the situation. We initiated a comprehensive review of our ideas, conducting several brainstorming sessions with team members. This collaborative effort aimed to refine our concepts, particularly focusing on improving our short film's ideas. Additionally, we decided to present our pitch plan in a form of detailed report to ensure a more comprehensive approach. While our initial outcomes fell short of the envisioned impact, just slightly, we choose to view this as a valuable lessons rather than a setback. We receive a positive feedback with both evaluations supporting our crowdfunding campaign, both rated at 3 out of 5. This encouraging feedback acknowledges the potential of our initiative. It also provides constructive insights, highlighting the need for improvement in the clarity of our short video. We embrace this feedback as an opportunity to learn and enhance our project, turning challenges into stepping stones for future success. So these are the testimonials I gained from my team members. So what can I summarize from the testimonials is, as a coordinator, I brought innovative perspectives, infusing creativity into solutions, making a notable impact on our project's uniqueness. I took a systemic and practical approach, balancing strategic thinking with hands-on solutions, creating a dynamic team environment. My unique problem-solving style, including a holistic approach and strategic suggestions, significantly impacted our group assignment success. The feedback emphasizes the coordinator role that goes beyond immediate challenges, involving creativity, foresight, practicality, and continuous improvement. I am grateful for our collaborative effort and insightful feedback that contributed to the success of the group assignment. In summary, I've learned 3 key lessons in my academic journey. Firstly, discovering that forgiveness is my top strength has taught me the importance of empathy and understanding in collaborative efforts, using forgiveness as a powerful tool for maintaining harmonious relationship within a team. Secondly, my experience as a coordinator in a recent group assignment emphasized the significance of effective communication, leadership, and balance in achieving collective goals. Lastly, reflecting on our team dynamics, I recognize that collaboration was the cornerstone of our success, demonstrating the power of teamwork in achieving outstanding results. This lesson shaped my understanding of personal strengths, teamwork, and collaborations, guiding me to view challenges as opportunities for growth and emphasizing the value of strong, supportive networks in achieving future success. As I conclude my brand new presentation, I am grateful for the opportunity to share insights gained from my journey of self-discovery. These reflections not only shape the person I am today, but also fuel my aspirations for the future. I hope that this insight will pave the way for me to contribute meaningfully not only in my immediate surroundings, but also on a broader scale. Looking ahead, I aspire to utilize these learnings to launch into leadership roles within the country, making a positive impact on those around me. I dream of landing a prestigious position at esteemed companies like Sarawak Energy Berhad, where I can continue to grow, innovate, and contribute to the success of both the organization and the community it serves. So thank you for joining me on this reflective journey. I'm excited about the possibilities that lie ahead and committed to embodying the principles of forgiveness, collaborations, and continuous growth in all my future endeavors. That's all for my brand new presentation, and I look forward to the exciting chapters that await. Thank you.